The Ninja Foodie Max Dual Zone Air Fryer has garnered considerable attention and acclaim, often being hailed as one of the best air fryers on the market. With its innovative dual zone cooking capabilities, impressive capacity, and versatile functionality, it promises to revolutionize the way we prepare meals at home. However, does it truly live up to the hype? In this video, I'll summarize the pros and cons of this air fryer to help you decide if it's worth buying. Dual Zone. This feature allows you to cook two different foods simultaneously, each with its own temperature and time settings. It's perfect for preparing entire meals at once, such as cooking chicken in one zone and vegetables in the other. This functionality can significantly reduce meal prep time and streamline the cooking process, making it ideal for busy households. Large capacity. The air fryer offers ample cooking space, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. With a combined capacity of 9.5 liters, it can handle large portions or multiple dishes at once. This is particularly beneficial for hosting gatherings or preparing bulk meals for the week, ensuring you have enough food for everyone without multiple cooking cycles. Multiple cooking functions. It includes versatile cooking options like air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This makes it a multifunctional appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets. Whether you're craving crispy fries, tender roasts, or dried fruit snacks, this air fryer can accommodate a wide range of culinary needs, enhancing its value as an all-in-one kitchen tool. Sync finish. This function ensures that both zones finish cooking at the same time, no matter the difference in cooking times. It adds convenience by ensuring that your entire meal is ready to serve simultaneously. This feature eliminates the hassle of coordinating cooking times, allowing you to serve hot, freshly cooked meals without delay. Easy to clean. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup a breeze. This feature saves time and effort, especially after cooking multiple dishes. The hassle-free cleaning process encourages more frequent use of the appliance, knowing that the cleanup won't be burdensome. Digital control panel. The user-friendly interface features a clear display and intuitive controls. This makes setting cooking times and temperatures straightforward, enhancing the overall user experience. The digital controls offer precision and ease, allowing even novice cooks to achieve excellent results consistently. Price. The Ninja Foodie Max Dual Zone Air Fryer is more expensive compared to single zone air fryers. This higher cost might not be suitable for all budgets, especially for those who don't need the dual zone functionality. Learning curve. The dual zone functionality might require some time to get used to for optimal results. Users may need to experiment with different settings and recipes to fully utilize its capabilities. This initial learning period might be frustrating for those looking for a straightforward, plug-and-play experience. Large footprint. The appliance takes up significant counter space, which might be an issue for smaller kitchens. Its size could make it challenging to find a permanent spot for it in a crowded kitchen. This might require users to frequently move the appliance in and out of storage, which can be inconvenient. Weight. The appliance is relatively heavy, making it less portable and harder to move around. This could be inconvenient for those who need to store it away when not in use, or for individuals who prefer lightweight kitchen gadgets. The weight could also pose challenges for users with limited strength or mobility. Here's the overall summary of the pros and cons. I hope you found this review useful. To make sure I can make more content like this, please like and subscribe. Until next time.